For this tutorial, I'm using a cotton yarn from Soft Feather Nature. This is what I have in hand now, and I'll be using 3.75 millimeter hook. So if you want to learn slowly how to make the circle, because it's a simple circle to start with, I'll put the link in the description box of a previous video I made about single crochet circle. So magic loop as usual, and I'll chain 2, 1 and 2, and I'll make 10 single crochet in the first chain. So insert my hook, pull through, first single crochet, insert my hook again, pull through, second single crochet, and I have 10. Tighten my circle and join to the initial one with a slip stitch. Okay, this is my first round. Now I'll chain 1, 2 single crochet in every stitch. And then I'll join with a slip stitch onto the first single crochet. So this is row 2. If you've been to the video link I put in the description box, you'll notice that in that video I was working in spiral, but this one I'm closing every row with a slip stitch. So it's up to you how you want to make it. Both are okay. Now to keep the circle flat, I will alternate between 1 single crochet and 2 single crochet in every stitch. So I'll start with chain 1. Now I'll make 2 single crochet in this stitch, and 1 single crochet in the next stitch, 2 single crochet in the next stitch, and 1 in the next stitch. I will do the same until the end of my round. Okay, so I'm at the end of my row now. I didn't close yet, so you should have only 1 single crochet left at the end, not 2, because when we start with 2 single crochet, the end should be only 1 single crochet. That's how you know your work is right. And a flat circle as well. Okay, so now I'll be closing same way as I did before. I'm gonna chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. On this chain 1, 2, the second one, I'm gonna make a slip knot or slip stitch, sorry. On the next one, 1 single crochet. On the next one, half double crochet. On the next one, 1 double crochet, and on the last one, 1 treble crochet. I'll put the links if you're a beginner for the double, treble, single crochet, how to make them, so you are familiar with this tutorial. Okay, now I will skip 1, 2, 3. On the 4th stitch I will make a slip knot, and I'll repeat again the same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Slip stitch, single crochet, half, double, and treble. One, two, three, 4. Slip stitch. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here I'm finishing with my last one, and I'll count 2, 3, 4, and then I'll join with a slip stitch, and I'll fasten off, and I'll cut my thread here, and this is what you get. Nice sun applique. I hope you like this tutorial and find it easy to follow. Let me know what you think, and until next time, take care. Bye bye.